Ava, who's your favourite?
And that one.
You like all of them? Like all of them? Who's your favourite?
And that one, and that one, and that one, and that one.
Who's your favourite, Ava? Point to one.
That one.
Which one? That one.
Yeah.
Him.
Yeah.
Who's my favourite?
None.
Shut up. Ava, who's my favourite?
That one.
That one.
Yeah.
No, that one's not my favourite.
That's your favourite.
Him. That one.
Yeah.
Yay, got it right. Yay.
You like the old picture.
Say bye.